Namaste friends, I hope you all are well. Friends, do you hold tensions and stress in your shoulder? Sitting hunched over a computer or smartphone for hours every day, often with poor posture, is cause shoulder pain. But there are some yoga therapies that, when done regularly, helps to relieve shoulder pain and even remove tightness. So here I am sharing some amazing yoga therapies which relieve frozen shoulder, stiff and painful shoulder. Before start, myself Deepika Sharma, the yoga consultant. Now let's start the first yoga therapy, that is fish pose. For that, lie down on your mat comfortably first. Make sure you are fully comfortable. Relax your body here. Relax your breath here. Now watch the video carefully. First, balance your body on your elbows and raise your upper body up like this. Slowly hang your head towards your backside. Try to touch your head on floor like this. Make sure you are comfortable. Now here, loose your elbows and put your palms on your thighs. Open your chest, open your shoulder. Feel the stretch on your chest and shoulder area. Here, no need to control your breath. Breath normally, normal inhale, exhale. Stay in this position. Minimum 20 breaths, maximum as much as you can in a day. Feel the stretch here. That yoga therapy is very good for frozen shoulder. By this yoga therapy, you will get rid from shoulder pain. After 20 breaths, slowly release the posture. Relax your palms. Again, elbows on floor. Tuck your elbows on floor. Balance again on elbows and relax your head. And relax your breath. Again with me. Same process. Elbows on floor, upper body raise. Balance your body on your head. Now loose your elbows, palms on thighs. Normal breath, minimum 20 breaths. Maximum as much as you can, and then slowly release the posture very slowly. Relax your breath. Now the second yoga therapy is cobra pose, the bhujangasana. For that, lie down on your mat on your stomach. Here, palms near to your chest. Tuck your chin on floor. With inhale, raise your upper body up. Feel the stretch on your shoulder, on your chest area and your spine. Stay in this position, minimum 20 breaths, and then with exhale, come back. Inhale. Exhale. Practice these yoga asanas regularly 10 times in a day. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. After 10 times, release the posture and relax your breath here. When you are fully comfortable, come up and sit any cross leg posture. So friends, do these yoga therapies regularly and get rid from shoulder pain. Namaste, take care and be connected.